morning students, welcome to Chemistry Garage. In this video I am going to explain the classification of carbons and hydrogen atoms. So our topic is classification of carbons and hydrogen atoms. Classification of carbon and hydrogen atoms. So the carbon atoms can be classified in two ways. The first classification is based on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms. The mode of arrangement of carbon atoms. So depending on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms, the carbon atoms can be classified into four types. They are primary carbon atoms, next secondary carbon atoms, and third one tertiary carbons, and the last one is quaternary carbons. Okay, depending on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms, the carbon atoms can be classified into four types. They are primary carbons, secondary carbons, tertiary carbons, and quaternary carbons. Now let us see what are primary carbon atoms. Right? The carbon atom which is bonded to only one carbon atom in a chain is called primary carbons. Right? What is primary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to only one carbon atom is called primary carbon atom. For example, simple example is CH3. For example, CH. Okay, in this example, there are two carbon atoms and both the carbon atoms are primary carbon atoms. For example, first carbon atom and the second carbon atom. So this particular carbon atom is bonded to only one carbon atom. So according to the definition of primary carbon, the carbon atom which is bonded to only one carbon atom is said to be primary carbon atom. So this particular carbon atom is bonded to only one carbon atom. So this is a primary carbon atom. And the second carbon atom. So this carbon atom is also bonded to only one carbon atom, hence it is also a primary carbon atom. Right? Now let us see what is secondary carbon. So secondary carbon is nothing but in a chain, if the carbon atom is bonded to two other carbon atoms. If the carbon atom is bonded to two other carbon atoms, then it is said to be secondary carbon atom. For example for secondary carbon atom, right? CH. Okay, in this example, there are three carbon atoms, 1, 2, and 3. There are three carbon atoms. So the first carbon atom is bonded to only this carbon atom, that is second carbon atom. Hence, it is a primary carbon atom. So primary carbon atom is nothing but the carbon which is bonded to only one other carbon atom. So this is a primary carbon atom. Whereas third carbon atom, so this third carbon atom is also bonded to only one carbon atom, that is second carbon atom. So it is also a primary carbon atom. Whereas The second carbon atom, it is bonded to primary carbon, that is first carbon atom, as well as third carbon atom. So according to the definition of secondary carbon atom is nothing but which is bonded to two other carbon atoms, right? If in a chain the carbon atom is bonded to two other carbon atoms, then the carbon atom is said to be secondary carbon atom. So this second carbon atom is secondary carbon atom because it is bonded to these two carbon atoms. So tertiary carbon atom is nothing but the carbon which is bonded to three other carbon atoms. Three other carbon atoms is said to be tertiary carbon atom. For example, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, H. Okay, in this example, there are four carbon atoms. So this particular carbon atom, that is the first carbon atom, this particular carbon atom is bonded to only one carbon atom, hence it is a primary carbon atom. And this particular carbon atom is also bonded to only one carbon atom, so it is also a primary carbon atom. And this particular carbon is also bonded to only one carbon atom, hence it is also a primary carbon atom. Whereas the central carbon atom, so this carbon atom is bonded to three other carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, hence it is a tertiary carbon atom. So tertiary carbon atom is nothing but the carbon atom which is bonded to three other carbon atoms is called tertiary carbon atom. Next, quaternary carbon atom, the carbon atom which is bonded to four other carbon atoms. The carbon atom which is bonded to four other carbon atoms is said to be quaternary carbon atoms. For example, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. So in this example, there are four primary carbon atoms. These four are primary carbon atoms. And this particular carbon atom is bonded to four other carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4 other carbon atoms. Hence, it is a quaternary carbon atom, right? And the hydrogen atoms which are bonded to primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atoms are said to be primary hydrogens, secondary hydrogens, and tertiary hydrogens respectively. Whereas quaternary carbon atom does not have any hydrogen atoms, which means there are no quaternary hydrogen atoms. So this is the first classification, that is, it depends on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms. Based on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms can be categorized into four types. They are primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, and quaternary carbon. Primary is nothing but which is bonded to only one carbon atom, secondary which is bonded to two other carbon atoms, tertiary which is bonded to three other carbon atoms, quaternary which is bonded to four other carbon atoms. And these are the examples, right? Now we will see the second classification of carbons as well as hydrogen atoms. Second classification is based on the relative positions of carbon atoms with respect to the functional group. Okay, based on the relative positions of carbon atoms, the carbon atoms can be designated as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and so on. Right? For example, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Okay, this is an organic compound, and the functional group that is present in this organic compound is OH functional group, that is alcohol functional group. Okay, so based on the relative positions relative positions of carbon atoms with respect to the functional group. They are designated using some Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma, delta and so on. Right? So the carbon atom which is directly bonded to functional group, the carbon atom which is bonded to the functional group is designated as alpha carbon atom, and the carbon atom next to the alpha carbon atom, the carbon atom next to the alpha carbon atom is designated as beta carbon atom, and the carbon atom which is bonded to beta carbon atom is designated as gamma carbon atom, and the carbon atom next to the gamma carbon atom is designated as delta carbon atom and so on. And the hydrogen atoms attached to alpha carbon atoms are called as alpha hydrogens, and the hydrogens which are bonded to beta carbon atom, they are called as beta hydrogens, and the hydrogens which are bonded to gamma are called gamma hydrogens, and the hydrogens which are bonded to delta carbon atoms, they are called delta hydrogens. So these are the two classifications of carbons as well as hydrogen atoms. So the first classification is based on the mode of arrangement of carbon atoms, whereas the second classification is based on the relative positions of carbon atoms with respect to the functional group, right?